Did you know that during the making of Terminator 2,
Come with me if you want to live.
sound designer Gary Rydstrom used a clever and cost-effective technique to create the distinctive sound for the T-1000 passing through metal bars.
Go!
He noted that despite the film having a $6 million budget for effects, he spent only 35 cents on a can of dog food. The can was opened and the sound of its lid popping off was recorded and added to the film. When Cameron listened to it, he confirmed that it sounded perfect, exactly the effect they were looking for. Take a listen.